Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, this is your next video on the chapter Algebraic Expressions. We have done till exercise 6b. Only one question was given as homework. So I hope you must have done that question in your maths homework copy. Now today's topic is multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. So my request to all of you is, today's task for the comment section is to write down the definition of a monomial and a binomial in the comment section. So what is a monomial and what is a binomial, you have to write down in the comment section because you have already studied about that. And you must have also remember about that distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. If you know anything about this, you can also comment down that. So the distributive property was that whenever we are multiplying any particular number, for example 7 multiplied by 3 plus 6, this is your distributive property. So this 7 will be multiplied by 3 also, 7 multiplied by 3 plus 7 multiplied by 6, it will be multiplied by both the numbers. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. 21 plus 6 sevens are 42, right? And you can also do in another way. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 7 multiplied by 9 is equals to 63. Here also the answer is 63. So this was distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now this property is going to help you a lot in multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. Okay students, so let's move on to this topic and explore what the best we can learn in this. Okay, so for example, if you have to multiply a monomial by a binomial, how will you proceed? For example, you have to multiply 2x by 3x plus 7y. Okay, how will you proceed? The 2x will be multiplied once by 3x. So 2x multiplied by 3x within bracket, since it is a positive sign, so positive sign. Now 2x multiplied by 7y. Done? So this is how you have to multiply. So 2 3s are 6 and x multiplied by x. In the multiplication, as per the law of exponents, the powers are added. So it will be 6x square, and here it will be 2 7s are 14. So 14xy. Since x and y are the different literal factors, so we cannot add the powers of x and y. If the literal factors are same, then you can add up the powers. Now this question can also be like that. For example, in this question only 2 terms were given. Okay, this question also can also come like that. 3x square within bracket, it can be 2x plus 7y plus 9. So now this is a multiplication of a monomial by a trinomial, not by a binomial. So how will you proceed? The same method will be followed. 3x will be multiplied by 3x square will be multiplied by 2x. Now plus, because it is plus, positive sign. Now again 3x square will be multiplied by 7y, again a positive sign. 3x square will be multiplied by 9. Now how will we proceed? 3 2s are 6, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1 will be x to the power of 3, 6x cube. Now 3 7s are 21 x square y, 3 9s are 27 x square. This is how it should be. Okay students, and this is how you have to multiply the monomials by a binomial. This was an example of a trinomial. There are some examples given in your maths book also. If you want, you can proceed and go through those examples, and if you want me to explain any example, you can comment down in the comment section. The example which I found that can be a little bit difficult for you is example number 4. So I am explaining it for you. Okay, I am explaining example number 4. So kindly go through it, how I am solving it, and understand the process of a multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. So I am writing the question. Multiply. The question is multiply 3x minus 4 upon 5 y square x by 1 upon 2 xy. This is the question students. Now we have to multiply. So how will we proceed? Let's move on. So students, now I am multiplying it for you. Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. 1 upon 2 xy within bracket 3x minus 4 upon 5 y square x. We have to multiply. Now this term will be multiplied by both the numbers. 1 upon 2 xy will be multiplied by 3x also. 1 upon 2 xy will be multiplied by minus 4 upon 5 y square x. So let's proceed. Within bracket it will be 1 by 2 xy multiplied by 3x, bracket closed. Now minus sign, again 1 by 2 xy multiplied by 4 upon 5 y square x. This is the question, and according to the question I have done the multiplication. Now we have to proceed further. Let me rub this and then write the next step for you. Okay. Okay students, so I have multiplied 1 upon 2 xy multiplied by 3x is 3 upon 2. 1 upon 2 xy multiplied by 3x is 3 upon 2, because we cannot reduce anything from here. It will be 3 by 2. X multiplied by x will be x square, and y is, there was only 1 y, so only 1 y is written. Now negative sign, 1 by 2 xy multiplied by 4 by 5 y square x. So we have to check that anything can be reduced or not. So as I found 2 1s are 2 2s are. This was possible to reduce, so I have reduced it. Now 1 2s are 2. So 2 upon 5, this is the coefficient. Now multiplying all the literal factors together as we have done earlier. So x multiplied by x will be x square. Y to the power of 1 multiplied by y to the power of 2 is y to the power of 3. So in the same way we have to solve the questions from the exercise 6e. So let's move on to the exercise questions. And if you want me to explain any example, you can comment down in the comment section. I will explain it in the next video. Okay. So question number 1 is find each of the following products. So I am solving it for you. 4a, 3a plus 7b. Now this 4a will be multiplied by both the numbers. So 4a multiplied by 3a within bracket plus 4a multiplied by 7b. Now 4 3s are 12, a to the power of 1, a to the power of 1 will be a to the power of 2, plus 4 7s are 28, a, b. Since there is only one a and one b, so the final answer is 12a square plus 28 ab. Okay students, now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. You have to solve these questions in your maths class for copy. Solve along with me. Just play the video and start solving the questions in the copy. 5a, 6a minus 3b. Again same process will be followed. 5a multiplied by 6a, bracket closed, minus, since it is a negative sign, 5a multiplied by 3b. Now 5 6s are 30, so 30a square minus 5 3s are 15. So 15ab. This is the final answer. In the same way you have to proceed, and in the book the answers are already given, so you can match your answers from the back. Sometimes what happens, there is a mistake in the answers. Kabhi kabhi hota hai, there is a misprint. So if you are not finding out the answer matching with your answer, then that might be a probability that the answer is given wrong. So kindly pay attention to that also. You can ask to me that whether the answer is correct or not if you have a little bit confusion in any question. Everybody is, I think almost everybody is having my number. सबके पास मेरा नंबर अब होगा, so you can directly WhatsApp मैसेज कर देंगे तो आई एम गोइंग टू रिप्लाई टू यू. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 3. Okay students, without wasting time, so question number 3 is 8a square within bracket 2a plus 5b. Now 8a square multiplied by 2a, bracket closed, positive sign, 8a square multiplied by 5b. Now 8 2s are 16, a to the power of 2, a to the power of 1 is equals to a to the power of 3. 8 5s are 40, a to the power of 2 and b, because b is only 1, so there will be no power. This is the answer. By the same way you have to solve question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 in your maths homework copy. I am solving it from question number 7. Now I am going to solve it from question number 7. Question number 4, 5 and 6 is your homework. I hope you will be able to do that. Now let's solve from question number 7. So question number 7 is 3 upon 5 m square n, 3 upon 5 m square n within bracket m plus 5n. Okay students. Now this same number will be multiplied by both the terms. So 3 upon 5 m square n multiplied by m, bracket closed, 3 upon 5 m square n multiplied by 5n. Now we have to check that anything can be reduced or not. So as I found here nothing can be reduced, but in the second expression 5 ones are can be reduced. Now it will be 3 upon 5 m to the power of 2, m to the power of 1 will be m to the power of 3 n plus 3 m to the power of 2, and there was only one n here, and in this also there is one n, so n to the power of 2. This is the final answer of question number 7. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 8. Okay. So question number 8 is minus 17x square, within bracket it is 3x minus 4. So minus 17, this is minus 17, so this minus 17 will be multiplied by 3x. Now again a symbol, negative symbol. Now minus 17 multiplied by 4. Since there was a negative symbol here, that is why I have written negative, and this was already negative, that is why I have taken this negative sign. Now 17 3s are 51. Okay, so it will be minus 51 x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1 is equals to minus 51 x to the power of 3. Now 17 4s are 68, right? This minus and this minus, bracket means multiplication. So 17 4s are 68, minus minus plus. So the final answer will be minus 51x cube plus 68. Okay students. Why it became positive? Because there were two negative signs and bracket means multiplication. So I have multiplied it. So this is the answer of question number 8. Now let's move on to question number 9. In this video we will be doing till question number 9 only. Okay. That is more than enough. So question number 9 is 7 upon 2 x square within bracket 4 upon 7x plus 2. So 7 upon 2 x square will be multiplied by 4 upon 7x. Bracket closed, positive sign. 7 upon 2 x square will be multiplied by 2. Now we have to check that anything can be reduced or not. Definitely we can reduce 7 ones are 7 ones are, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Now what is remaining? 1 twos are 2, x square multiplied by x to the power of 1, so x to the power of 3. Here it is 7x square, only 7x square is remaining, so the final answer is 2x cube plus 7x square after reducing it. So you just have to simplify in order to obtain the final answer. Okay students. So that's all for today. Now rest of the questions we will be doing in the next video. I hope you must have understood. Till the time, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.